Welcome back to Easy Story Studio. Do you like spending time with your family? In today's story, a young boy named Paul has a wonderful day outside. Let's listen to Paul and the Big City Park. This is a boy named Paul. Paul is 8 years old. He has a little sister. His sister is named Emma. Emma is 5 years old. They live in a city. Today is a sunny Sunday. The sky is very blue. The family is very happy. They are going out today. They are going to play. They will visit the park. Paul wakes up very early. He gets out of bed. He goes to the kitchen. Mother is in the kitchen. She is making hot food. Father is reading a book. "Good morning," says young Paul. "Good morning," says his father. "Are you ready to play?" Paul says yes very loudly. Emma comes into the room. She rubs her sleepy eyes. Emma wears a pink shirt. She wears blue cotton pants. Paul wears a green shirt. Mother gives them hot eggs. She gives them cold milk. They eat the good breakfast. Father puts down his book. "It is time to pack," he says. They all walk away quickly. Mother packs a big basket. She puts red apples inside. She puts water bottles inside. Father takes a big blanket. The blanket is yellow and red. It is very soft. Paul finds his round ball. The ball is black and white. It is for kicking. Emma finds her new kite. The kite is a bright blue. It has a long tail. They walk outside the house. They get in the white car. Father drives the car safely. The city is very busy. There are many tall buildings. There are many loud buses. Paul looks out the window. He sees a yellow taxi. He sees a police car. Emma plays with her kite. She holds it in her lap. She is very excited today. They drive for 20 minutes. They see tall green trees. The big park is here. Father parks the white car. They open the heavy car doors. They step on the street. The park is very big. It has a lot of grass. It has a blue pond. Many people are here today. Some people ride fast bicycles. Some people walk small dogs. The family walks on the grass. They find a good place. It is near the water. Father opens the big blanket. He puts it on the ground. They all sit down together. The sun is very warm. A cool wind blows softly. The green leaves move slowly. Paul takes his round ball. He stands up on the grass. "Let's play," says Paul. Father stands up to play. Paul kicks the ball hard. The ball rolls on the grass. Father stops the fast ball. He kicks it back to Paul. They run and laugh loudly. Emma wants to play too. She holds her blue kite. She runs in the wind. Mother helps little Emma run. The wind catches the blue kite. The kite goes up high. The kite flies in the sky. It looks like a blue bird. Emma holds the string tightly. Paul kicks the ball again. He kicks it very far away. He runs to get it. He finds the ball quickly. It is near a big tree. A small squirrel is there. The squirrel has a bushy tail. It looks at the round ball. It runs up the tree. Paul runs back to his father. They play for 1 long hour. They are very hot now. A small dog runs to Paul. The dog is white and fluffy. It wants the round ball. The dog barks a happy bark. A tall woman walks to them. "I am sorry," she says. The woman smiles at them. Paul smiles at the dog. "It is okay," he says. The woman calls the fluffy dog. The dog runs back to her. They walk away on the grass. They walk back to the blanket. Emma pulls her kite down. They sit on the ground. "I am thirsty," says Paul. Mother opens the big basket. She gives him cold water. Paul drinks the water fast. Emma drinks some cold water. They feel very good again. Mother takes out the food. She made nice cheese sandwiches. She made sweet chocolate cookies. They eat the cheese sandwiches. They are very hungry from playing. The food tastes very delicious. Next, they eat the sweet cookies. Paul eats 2 round cookies. Emma eats 1 big cookie. A small brown bird flies down. It lands on the yellow blanket. It looks at the food. Paul breaks a piece of cookie. He throws it to the bird. The bird eats it quickly. The bird chirps a little song. It flies away into a tree. Paul likes the small bird. After lunch, they walk around. They walk near the blue pond. They see many white birds. The birds are funny ducks. The ducks swim in the water. They make loud quack sounds. A mother duck swims fast. 4 baby ducks swim behind her. They are small and yellow. Emma points at the baby ducks. "They are very cute," she says. Paul smiles at the ducks. The family walks over a bridge. The bridge is made of wood. It goes over the water. Paul looks down at the water. He sees small orange fish. The fish swim very fast. Emma looks at the fish too. "Look at them go," she says. The water is very clear. They walk on a dirt path. The path goes to a playground. The playground is very colorful. There's a big red slide. There are 3 yellow swings. Many children are playing there. Paul runs to the yellow swings. He sits on a hard seat. He swings very high. He feels like a flying bird. The wind blows his brown hair. He laughs very loud. Emma climbs the tall stairs. She sits on the red slide. She goes down very fast. Mother waits at the bottom. She catches Emma in her arms. Emma wants to go again. Father sits on a brown bench. He watches his happy children. He takes a nice picture. Paul stops the yellow swing. He runs to a climbing wall. The wall has colorful rocks. Paul climbs up the short wall. He uses his strong hands. He reaches the very top. "Look at me," says Paul loudly. Father waves his hand at Paul. Paul climbs down very safely. Emma plays in the soft sand. She brings her yellow bucket. She fills it with sand. She makes a small sand house. She puts a leaf on top. It is a very nice house. They play at the playground. They play for a long time. They are very tired now. A man walks by the playground. He pushes a small white cart. The cart has a bell. The bell rings very loudly. The man sells cold ice cream. Father calls the children over. "Do you want ice cream?" asks Father. Paul and Emma say yes. They run to the cart. Paul chooses a chocolate ice cream. Emma chooses a strawberry ice cream. The ice cream is cold. Mother and Father share one. They eat a vanilla ice cream. They sit on the grass. The sun is going down now. The sky turns pink and orange. The park is very beautiful. It is getting a little cold. "It is time to go," says Mother. They pack their things. Father folds the big blanket. Mother picks up the empty basket. Paul holds his round ball. Emma holds her blue kite. They walk back to the car. They are very tired, but happy. They get into the white car. Father starts the car engine. They drive back to the city. The city lights turn on. The buildings look very bright. The streets are very quiet now. Emma falls asleep in the car. She hugs her blue kite. Paul closes his heavy eyes. They arrive at their quiet house. Father carries little Emma inside. Mother unlocks the front door. They go into the warm house. Paul walks to his small bedroom. He puts his ball down. Mother helps Emma get ready. She puts on Emma's pajamas. She puts Emma in her bed. Paul washes his hands and face. He brushes his teeth with toothpaste. He puts on his pajamas. Paul gets into his soft bed. He is very tired from playing. He feels very, very good. Father comes to say good night. He turns off the bright light. "Good night, Paul," he says softly. "Good night, Father," says young Paul. The house is completely dark now. The day is finally over. Paul closes his sleepy eyes. He dreams about the blue kite. He dreams about the park. It was a very perfect Sunday. The family had a great time. Tomorrow will be a new day. And that is the end of our story. Paul and Emma had a great time playing and eating ice cream. What is your favorite thing to do at the park? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Easy Story Studio. Have a wonderful day.